Hello folks! With more power and flexibility than laptops and much more stylish designs than in the past, desktops still make sense. It's perfect for the users who are working in the area of media. So in this video, we're going to show you some of the best desktop computers that are available in the market. So let's cut to the chase and jump right in. Change how you produce content with the 28-inch Surface Studio Multi-Touch all-in-one desktop computer from Microsoft. This large yet compact system emphasizes a unique stand design, which can be placed in an upright or flat position to accommodate your artistic process. In desktop mode, it can be used normally like any standard desktop computer. However, once it's put back into studio mode, you'll have an easy time sketching, painting, and editing on its extensive 28-inch 4500 by 3000 resolution display. Furthermore, it also assists multi-touch input through fingers or the included Surface Pen, improving its convenience and your productivity. Powered by an Intel Core i7 6th Gen quad-core processor, 16GB of RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 965M graphics card with 2GB of GDDR5 VRAM, the Surface Studio is intelligent of handling everything from daily tasks to professional-grade software like SolidWorks, Adobe Premiere Pro, and Autodesk. Acer has expanded its all-in-one desktop offering with the new award-winning 23.8-inch Aspire S24, its slimmest ever, starring a side profile of only 0.235 inches. Created with a dual focus on design and premium functionality, it offers a stylish yet practical addition to any room. A black and matte gold color scheme present the ultra-slim S24 a luxurious appeal. The Full HD IPS screen gives a vivid and crisp viewing experience with true colors up to 178 degrees. An ultra-narrow 0.106-inch bezel presents a 90% screen-to-body ratio, meaning more viewable space for seeing digital images, spreadsheets, movies, and more. This product is designed to be modified with minimum effort using just one hand. It provides superb ergonomics and maximizes productivity and viewing comfort with a -5 to 25 degree tiltable display. The Acer Aspire Z3 All-in-One gives cinematic entertainment to the whole family on its Full HD touchscreen starring IPS technology. Movies and games look and sound excellent in this device, thanks to the 23.8-inch Full HD touchscreen and Acer True Harmony high-performance sound system with Dolby Audio. The front-facing stereo speakers tuned by Acer True Harmony and Dolby Digital Plus Home Theater take entertainment to the next level. The Acer Aspire AZ3-715-ACKi5 is a sturdy AIO machine. That's not only sleek, but functions just as well as it looks. It comes equipped with a myriad of pros, and it is a machine that's worth considering. The display of this product offers excellent color accuracy at a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, along with high brightness levels. In addition to that, viewing angles full thanks to its IPS panels, far from what was possible with TN displays. Improve your efficiency with multitask windows. Connect your Xbox One in all new ways. Use the monitor for your smartphone and a stylus pen that enables you to sketch and draw with digital ink to get more done faster in a natural way. The product is brewed with style and personality, with color options to suit your style, and the redesigned HP Pavilion helps you modify your workspace. With up to 3 TB of storage, advanced graphics, multi-display support, and enhanced upgradability, this tower stands up to even the closest scrutiny. If you're in search of a desktop that doesn't quit, the HP Pavilion desktop is the ideal choice for you. It is designed and built to last for a longer period. Stay prolific without taking up too much space with the Lenovo ThinkCetter M600 tiny desktop computer. Its small design presents more desk space. It has combined Intel HD Graphics 405, and you can connect to an external display through DisplayPort. The desktop is powered by a 1.6 GHz Intel Premium J3710 quad-core processor. It also has 4 GB of 1600 MHz DDR3L RAM, a 128 GB SSD, 2 DisplayPort outputs that promote resolutions up to 3840 by 2160 at 30 Hz, 4 USB 3.0 Type-A ports, and 2 USB 2.0 Type-A ports. Also, it includes a Lenovo wired keyboard and mouse as an external 65-watt energy adapter. There's also a floor stand so you can put the ThinkCentre M600 vertically. Windows 10 Professional 64-bit is pre-installed on the drive. Corsair One takes fast, quiet, small, and beautiful PCs to a previously unattainable level. Combining premium material construction, a bead-blasted aluminum chassis, and subtle ambient lighting, Corsair One sends refined yet an unmistakable style that's at home in a workshop or gaming setup as it is as a VR masterpiece. The product comes equipped with the cutting-edge performance of an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 graphics card, an overclockable Intel Core i7-7700K processor, and Corsair's award-winning DDR4 memory. Corsair One presents right VR and 4K gaming in any room, all while producing less than 20 dBA of noise at idle. The product is tested using CS-9000007-NA model at Orfield Laboratories. The brand new Inspiron 22 3000 AIO desktop is provided with everything you need in one complete package. Enjoy enhanced sound courtesy of combined speakers and Waves Max Audio Pro. The 6GB memory and 1TB hard disk drive (HDD) provides lots of bandwidth to keep your movies and games running smoothly. The Inspiron 22 3000 series all-in-one has various I/O and USB ports to connect all your devices, and comes equipped with convenient 802.11 AC Wi-Fi for fast, long-range wireless with less buffering and drops related to older designs. It has a brilliant Full HD IPS display in a clutter-free design created for the whole family, and it is slim and streamlined. Your all-in-one will add style to any room in the house. With a 23.8-inch Full HD wide viewing angle display, the responsive execution of a computer with built-in speakers, and an attractively thin design, the Inspiron is an easy-to-use all-in-one PC that's a smart buy for the family. The Inspiron gives you loads of space to store the entire family's movies, memories, school projects, and more, while still presenting a consistently smooth, lag-free performance with the 1TB hard drive. The pedestal stand with one-cord setup and wireless keyboard and mouse enables quick and straightforward arrangement in any room. The Inspiron is equipped with faster and longer range 802.11 AC wireless technology, so you can chat with friends and family or stream music and movies instantly and securely. The different USB 3.0 ports, HDMI out, 4-in-1 MCR, and Ethernet abilities offer seamless interaction with your other devices. On the top of the list, we have the iMac Core i5. This is a desktop experience that draws you in and keeps you there. This is the concept behind today's iMac. And now that idea is more compelling than ever. The new iMac is packed with all new processors, the latest graphics technologies, innovative storage, and higher bandwidth connectivity. It is faster and more robust than ever. iMac now comes equipped with a 7th generation Intel Core i5 processor and the latest high-performance graphics, so you can do everything you like to do on iMac. The two Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports come standard on every iMac model, each presenting up to 40 gigabits per second of data transfer for external drives and cameras, and twice the bandwidth for video and display connectivity. 4 USB 3 ports provide you with loads of options for connecting peripherals, including your printer, iPhone, thumb drive, and more. With all these features, this is the best desktop you can get on the market today. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.